The culture here at Electronic Locksmith is one in which every individual really feels within themselves that need to be successful.
Electronic Locksmith is very special to me because they truly care about their team members. We are just a big family, and whenever there's an obstacle to reach, we're there in it and we're doing it together.
So for the last 5 years, I've been working with the Electronic Locksmith. I love the place, I love the culture, I love the people here because we treat each other as the family. Okay, we are small, but we are taking care of each other.
I mean, I came from an industry, there's no balance at all. It's all work, there's no family. And it's basically how I lost my family. So for this, having life balance is important for me.
One thing that I'm aspiring to do is become an electrical engineer. It's very helpful working here because I get to work directly with the engineers that have already gone through it sometimes. And I also get a lot of on-the-job training just in my regular technical job that helps relate a lot of the concepts that I'm learning in school to the actual real world.
It's a great place to work at Electronic Locksmith because it's challenging. Every day we have set a goal to meet, which we try to beat every day. Plus we always feel a sense of accomplishment.
Thrilled to see the culture here at Electronic Locksmith. It's always looking to allow you to grow, help you out, assist you with however you may need. Over these last few years, we've had a lot of personal and company growth that we're really proud of.
The core values are essential. That's how the team works together. Nobody is any better than anybody else. We work as a team. We treat each other with respect. We treat each other like we would like to be treated. The core values is what we live on.
How can I get better? How can I help others get better? What can we do to motivate each other? What can we do to take care of a customer today that perhaps we didn't take care of yesterday?
We have one of the best benefit packages out there. It's all company sponsored and paid for by the company.